Lee, can you go in and tell us why King Harvest uses ethanol for its extraction method?
So we use ethanol because it is gentle and because although it's less efficient, it's going to make a superior product. And by virtue of superior, it's going to stimulate your human endocannabinoid system better and give you better results. Organic ethanol is not going to have any residual solvent. And so it's not going to be dangerous for a person that has a compromised immune system. So it's really the safest, best choice that you have. It's also the best choice you have for success because ethanol will leave the cellular wall intact. It will stimulate the endocannabinoid system better, and so you just see success rates going up. You see, cure rates go up. More people survive cancer. We've made medicine every way you can.
Yeah.
So we just want to make medicine in the way that works for people, and they're successful. And so, organic flower only ethanol extraction is going to give you the highest success rates.
So what would be other chemicals that people might use that might not be on the level of ethanol?
Naphtha, butane, isopropyl. There's a lot of people doing isopropyl. There's something called naphtha if you are in Canada. But essentially, it's a butane-based chemical gas extraction. Those harsh chemicals will make an inferior medicine, just similarly as CO2-based extraction will make an inferior medicine, because in both senses, you're rendering the medicine inert. And so ethanol gives you superior medicine because the cellular wall is intact and the medicine is still alive. It has to be done gently. It takes a long time. It's inefficient. That's partially why the medicine is so expensive. But it's really the best and only choice you have, and that's what King Harvest is committed to.
Great. Thank you for clearing that up.